A tragedy. Came down out of this tree right here, just absolutely smashed it. Look at that. Nailed it. Nothing but dry ankles this summer. Outstanding. This is a cool plant. This is Ludwigia alternifolia. Alternifolia meaning alternate leaves, meaning that they aren't like in pairs directly across from each other. Instead, they're sort of staggered. So one comes out here, and then a little further down the stem, another comes out the other side, etc. So Ludwigia alternifolia. The cool part about this plant are these little guys. Well, let me get some that are intact. These little guys. These seed pods. Isn't that wild? It's like little boxes with a hole in the top to drop the seed out. And in each one of these, there's just hundreds of little seeds. Very, very tiny little seeds. Just looking like a little salt shaker there. And just interesting structure. I've never really seen anything like it. It's in the primrose family, evening primrose family, Onograceae. So I don't know. I have not really watched this plant flower. Actually, right after I filmed that last section, just about, I don't know, 50, 60 feet over that way, I was about to ride off and look over here after saying that I've never seen this thing actually in flower in person, only in pictures. There it is right there. And here's another one right here with the square seed pods again, finished up, possibly just last year's, I don't know. But that one is not flowering, that one is. So I am going to step over here in this lovely, gross little culvert here and take a look at these guys. So there are those 4-petaled yellow flowers with, let's see if we can get the camera to focus on that. Not really. Oh, and I've damaged it. I'm just destroyer. Okay, on the back side, what do we have there? Got 4 really big sepals, little triangular sepals coming to a point. I guess what you see here, if I could get the thing to focus, what you see here at the back, you see the beginnings of a little box structure. So I guess if this gets pollinated, that little structure behind those sepals is very difficult to film. There's a little structure behind that sepals, that swollen area right there at the tip of my finger. That would become that little box structure. That's pretty neat. Actually, here's some, this is kind of cool. Flowers that haven't opened yet, I'm assuming, or maybe those are done. Not sure. Those sepals are folded up. Oh, there's the unopened petals in there, very young petals. So that's what they look like before opening. Boxes all the way around. Starts off as a box, flowers in a 4-petaled thing with those pointed 4 sepals behind it with a little box structure behind that. Ends up as a box full of seeds. You'll never guess the common name for this. It's called seed box. I wanted to get a little bit of a shot of the type of habitat that this is in. We got obviously a culvert dumping out some water right here. This is a sort of waterway naturally. Of course, they built a road across it, and so now it's all popping out of these culverts, but then it goes into this sort of swampy lowland meadow, partially open. Not a ton of trees growing here. It floods from time to time, and that's what this looks for. And the trash, you know, you gotta have the trash. If you don't have enough trash, then the plants don't grow. They need the trash. I swear, it's just like, it's everywhere too. all over the place, just trash. Trash thrown out by trash. You are what you throw on the ground. Trash.